Now the key to doing this exercise, it's not about to just get through the reps. You want to make it as hard as possible for yourself.
What's up? 筋肉早くです。さあ今日は二頭筋を爆発させるスーパーセット見ていきましょう。腕を大きくするためにはスーパーセットなので腕をパンパンにさせる方法があります。今回はその方法の一つをジョセフさんが教えてくれています。どんな方法なのでしょうか。早速見ていきましょう。どうぞ。
What's up guys, Joseph Rakic here from josephrakicfitness.com, and today I'm with my good friend Andrew, and we're about to show you one of the most brutal bicep superset drop sets ever. Andrew has got no idea what we're doing right now, so I'm about to explain to him exactly what we're doing. So this exercise here is a dumbbell curl superset with a hammer curl. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold both dumbbells like this, palms facing the mirror, so facing in front of you, and you're going to go for 10 reps. So 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Once you get to 10, you're going to superset with 10 hammers. Once you've done your 10 hammers, you're going to go back to these curls, and you're going to go 8. Then it's 8 hammers. Then 6, then 4, then 2, and then you're done. Now the key to doing this exercise, it's not about to just get through the reps. You want to make it as hard as possible for yourself. So if you have to stop, that's okay, as long as you give it 100% effort and you really try to apply that stress to the bicep muscle. So 10, 10, 8, 8, 6, 6, 4, 4, 2, 2, and then you're done. So palms facing the mirror the whole time. 10, nice 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, 10 hammers. 1, 2, 3. Elbows a little bit forward. 4. Elbows here. Yep. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, back to the other way. 8. No stopping. 1, 2. Slow it down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to 8 hammers. 1, 2. Elbows a little bit forward. Don't put your elbows back. 4, 5. All the way down. 6, 7, 8. Okay, pick it up. You got 6. Don't let them rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hammers. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you're on 4. Turn it, let's go, let's go. 1, 2, all the way down. 3, all the way up, come on. 4, 4 hammers. 1, 2, 3, don't throw them. 4, make the biceps curl it. 2 and 2 and you're done. 1, 2, okay, 2 hammers and you're all done, bro. 1, 2, nice. Good stuff, bro. And that right there is a brutal superset for the biceps, guys. Well done, man. So I like to do this exercise at the end of my bicep workout. It just really annihilates them. And
さあいかがでしたでしょうか。終わった後アンドリューさんは放心状態でしたね。使っていたダンベルは20ポンドと書いてあったので、だいたい9キロぐらいの重さです。見ていると10回ぐらいではまだ余裕がありそうだったので、おそらく9キロで20回ぐらいはできる重さ設定ではないでしょうか。そして、ただ回数を行うだけでなく、丁寧に行うことをジョセフさんは注意していましたね。内容としては、肘を後ろに下げない、振り回さない、できるだけ止まらない、といったものでした。痛かったりきつかったりして途中でやめたくなると思うんですが、腕を太くしたい方にはとてもおすすめな種目の一つです。みんなのおすすめの二頭筋種目ありますか？コメント欄で教えてください。僕は二頭筋のコントロールが苦手なので、スタンディングのケーブルのこのアングルでするカールが好きです。最後まで見ていただいてありがとうございます。感想や動画のリクエスト、チャンネル登録お待ちしています。ではまた。I won't look back when you're around.
I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're